Are your laundry detergent sheets just expensive water? A shocking new study by consumer group Choice reveals that some popular brands of laundry detergent sheets are barely more effective at stain removal than plain water, with one brand even performing worse. But here's where it gets controversial. While these sheets are marketed as eco-friendly alternatives to traditional detergents, their actual cleaning power leaves much to be desired. Could this be a case of style over substance? Laundry detergent sheets, a relatively new player in the market, are often promoted as a greener option because they avoid single-use plastics. However, Choice's annual testing of over 50 detergents, including powders, liquids, capsules and sheets, found that several sheet brands fell flat in front-loading washing machines. Chris Barnes, who oversees product testing at Choice, noted, "In theory, there's no reason they shouldn't perform well, but I suspect they're not delivering enough active detergent per dose." Choice's tests set a benchmark of 70% effectiveness for front loaders and 60% for top loaders, with front loaders generally outperforming due to their longer, more thorough wash cycles. For the second year, Omo dominated the rankings for front loaders, with its powder scoring 81% and its capsules following closely behind. Capsules, the priciest option, were a mixed bag. While Omo sensitive capsules scored 77%, others, like Active Experts capsules, barely reached 52%. And this is the part most people miss. Laundry sheets consistently ranked at the bottom, with brands like Skipper, 46%, Lucent Globe, 45%, and Restore, 44%, performing only slightly better than water, 45%. Restor defended its product, citing independent tests showing strong performance, while Skipper argued that the tests focus narrowly on stain removal rather than overall hygiene. "Comparing our sheets to water makes for a catchy headline," a Skipper spokesperson said, "but it doesn't reflect their real-world use." Aldi's Green Action Liquid Concentrate also underperformed, scoring 45%, though the company pledged to investigate. For top loaders, Aldi's Trimat Advanced powder took the top spot with 66%, edging out Omo's powder by 1 point. Interestingly, some budget-friendly options like Active Expert powder and Kohl's Ultra Concentrate powder scored between 71 and 74% while costing less than 30 cents per wash. Far cheaper than Omo's top performers, which start at 83 cents per wash. Barnes pointed out that for lightly soiled loads, a milder detergent often suffices. "It's encouraging to see a mix of high-performing and affordable options," he said, urging consumers to compare cost per wash, which can be eye-opening. But here's a thought-provoking question. Is investing in a better washing machine more worthwhile than splurging on premium detergents? Barnes highlighted that much of the cleaning is done by the machine's mechanical action, not the detergent. "A good detergent won't rescue a poor-quality washing machine," he explained. So, before you toss your detergent sheets in the bin, consider this. Are they truly ineffective, or is the issue more nuanced? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you swear by sheets, or are you sticking to tried and true powders and liquids?